if this film wouldn't have come out, we would have never known what went down at Kama Hospital.
Correct.
Smita has the most bizarre incidents to talk about, and she will. And she's a storyteller.
उपाधि देना चाहूँगी, शी इज़ ज्ञान गंगा. हाँ, मतलब किस विषय का उसके पास नॉलेज नहीं है.
So many interviews now that we know each other's answers. I could answer on her behalf. Hi, my name is Girija Godbole.
Hi, I am Isha Day.
हाय, मैं स्मिता तांबे द्विवेदी.
And you are watching us on HT City.
Hello and welcome to HT City. This is me, Vishakha Pandit, and I have the amazing cast of Bharat Bhagya Vidata. Ladies, firstly, welcome on HT City.
Thank you.
I would say the first thing that's written on the top is the unseen heroes, and I think वो are in reality women, क्योंकि कई जगहों पे हम औरतें काफ़ी कुछ ऐसा करती हैं जिसके लिए हमें कोई क्रेडिट नहीं मिलता है, but still हम खुशी खुशी वो करती हैं. But then if I talk about Bharat Bhagya Vidata, the trailer literally leaves a mark कि हम सोचते हैं कि ओ ये भी हुआ था, because honestly I did not know that story, and if you guys wouldn't have come with the film, I don't think that I would have known. But जब आप लोगों ने the first script, apart from Kangna being in the film, when you heard about the script and when you got to know कि oh this is the character that we have to play, what was your first initial reaction or maybe first initial thought that came to your mind? Let's start with Girija.
It was an incredible script. Firstly, that the draft that I read, the first draft that I read, that was sent to me, I felt that it stood on its own 2 feet, and it's very nice to read scripts that read like a book.
Yes.
They are complete in themselves, and then they become better when they are visually made into a film. So I loved the script in terms of how it was written, the screenplay of it. It was very engaging and impactful. I read it on a flight, I remember, from Mumbai to Delhi, and I couldn't put it down. Like I literally asked for no water, no coffee, no food. Like I didn't eat or drink anything during the whole flight. I didn't get up to use the washroom. I was so engrossed in the script, and that's how it was written. Also, it was that
Correct.
gripping on text level. There's a lot of research that has gone into the script. Manoj Tapadia, who's written and directed the film, has put in 7 years of work making the script into a film. So there's a lot of research and a lot of recalibration that he has done with the script. So the script for me was the most important selling point for why I wanted to do this, and I thought it was a very important story to be part of. Exactly like you said, if this film wouldn't have come out, we would have never known what went down at Kama Hospital.
Correct.
I thought it was important to be part of a story that was presenting this side of the events
Yes.
to a catastrophic event that we all know about. So there was also this page in that book which nobody had ever turned.
Yes.
And now with this, I'm part of a team that is exploring that angle.
Well, agreed. But what about you? What was your first take to when you were said, okay, this is the film and this is the character we are looking for you to be playing in it?
Very honestly, I auditioned for the part,
Okay.
and I mean, it's my first Hindi film.
Was it this part only that you auditioned for?
Yes,
Or was it
yes,
okay, okay.
it was the same part. And I auditioned, and I sent the video because usually self-tests hote hain aajkal.
Correct, yes.
So it usually never happens, but in like 3 or 4 minutes, I got a call that you are locked.
Oh, that's so quick.
एंड मेरे लिए तो इन द बिगिनिंग एक फिल्म मिली है इतना ही था.
Okay.
एंड देन आई वेंट फॉर द मीटिंग एंड लाइक शी सेड मनोज तपाड़िया, द राइटर डायरेक्टर ऑफ द फिल्म, he has crafted the script so beautifully. He narrated the story and he told me about the part, and what interested me was, of course, like the story wouldn't like nobody would know the story if this
Correct.
film wouldn't have happened, but also being a nurse is a profession, but all the parts were written 3-dimensionally, like they were humans, and nursing was the profession.
Correct.
तो हर एक कैरेक्टर अपना कुछ फैमिली बैकग्राउंड सब कुछ लेके समवन हु एवरीबडी कैन रिलेट टू कि हमें यूनिफॉर्म में नहीं होगी तो पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि ये नर्स है. ऐसी एक औरत, एंड द ट्रिगर पॉइंट वाज द स्क्रिप्ट. इट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुली रिटन.
Agreed.
सो जैसे गिरिजा और ईशा ने बताया है कि इस फिल्म का अनसीन हीरो जो कौन है वो है फिल्म की स्क्रिप्ट. लेकिन मुझे स्क्रिप्ट पहले हाथ में नहीं आई थी.
Oh.
जब मुझे मुकेश के यहाँ से फ़ोन आया था कि डायरेक्टर को एक बार मीटिंग करनी है, तब मनोज तपाड़िया जो हैं वो मुझे पहली बार जाके, मैं कहीं पे जाने वाले थे और वो वहाँ पे मिले।
ओके
तो मैंने ये मराठी में, हमारे यहाँ पे कोई भी, ईशा और गिरिजा अग्री करेंगे इस चीज़ से, कि हमारे यहाँ पे कोई लेयरिंग नहीं होता है। डायरेक्टर ऐसे वन ऑन वन बातें कर रहे हैं, जैम कर रहे हैं, ये वो। लेकिन मैं खुद को बहुत लकी मानती हूँ कि देवाशीष हो या ये मनोज जी है, कि कोई लेयरिंग नहीं है बीच में डायरेक्टली आपको डायरेक्टर मिल रहा है। और द वे ही नरेटेड द स्क्रिप्ट, उन्होंने जिस हिसाब से बताया, उसने जिस हिसाब से आपका कैरेक्टर क्या फ्लेवर लेके आता है, क्या होता है। और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ जो लगती है मुझे कि ये फिल्म बहुत ही पॉजिटिव है। ये आपके अंदर एक अलग तरह की पॉजिटिविटी, एक अलग तरह के करेज को सेलिब्रेट करने वाली ये फिल्म है। तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि यार मुझे इस फिल्म का हिस्सा होना है, क्योंकि हमेशा 26/11 को लेके जितनी भी चीज़ें सुनी हैं, हमेशा नम सुन, और मुझे नहीं सुनना है यार, अब बहुत हो गया, ये बहुत ट्रॉमेटाइज हो रहा है। लेकिन ये कहानी सुनने के बाद माय गॉड, ऐसा किसी ने किया है, ये सुनने का जो इंटरेस्ट है, मतलब इतना पॉजिटिव पार्ट है कि 400 से ज़्यादा लाइव्स जो हैं वो बचाई गई है, और जिसके लिए वो ट्रेन नहीं है।
I think if I'm not wrong, on the trailer launch you guys were sharing कि 20 से ज़्यादा डिलीवरीज
उस समय पे हुई है। और आप अगर फिल्म में अभी ज़्यादा मैं स्पॉइलर नहीं दे सकती, जो दृश्य देखोगे ना, तो आपको अंदर से हिला देंगे वो दृश्य कि ओ माय गॉड। और वो सब पॉजिटिव नोट कि कैसे इंसान सॉल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड है, कैसे डील कर रहे हैं इस चीज़ों के साथ। तो वो लाइफ में भी सब लोगों को लगे कि यार हम क्या क्रिप करते रहते हैं यार, ढूंढो सॉल्यूशन, ढूंढो।
be solution driven.
Yeah.
But you know, I would say that I agree to what ईशा आपने अभी बोला कि आपकी स्टोरी का एक ग्राफ है। एंड जब मैं ट्रेलर भी देख रही थी, आई थिंक दैट वाज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई फेल्ट दैट इवन दो कंगना माइट बी लाइक आउट ऑफ ऑल 4 of you like a much popular or maybe much well known actor, but while I was seeing the trailer, I did not feel कि सिर्फ उनके कैरेक्टर पे फोकस किया गया। I felt all your characters कहीं ना कहीं उनका ग्राफ दिख रहा था। तो now when I want to see the film, I feel that oh yes, I think हर कैरेक्टर की अपनी एक कहानी होगी। So in an industry where when we see films which are led by heroes and जहाँ पे females को सिर्फ एक as a you know थोड़ा आना जाना वाला कैरेक्टर की तरह यूज़ किया जाता है, very bare minimum space, being a part of a film where each of your characters have got like an individual proper space and a story and a graph, how important as actors is that thing for you guys?
मतलब मुझे लगता है कि आई एम वेरी ब्लेस्ड कि मुझे जब भी कोई फिल्में आई हैं, तो जैसे जुर्म हो, रुख हो या फिर नूर हो, जो कि पूरी मेरी घटना के ऊपर पूरी एंटायर, तो मुझे लगता है कि आपको हमेशा कोई कुछ तो एक अंदर एक थ्रेड या कुछ तो एक चाहिए कि जो आपको पोर्ट्रे करने में और इन सारी चीज़ों में मज़ा आ जाए। तो मुझे लगता है कि आई एम ब्लेस्ड कि मुझे अच्छे अच्छे कैरेक्टर्स मिले हैं। लेकिन मैं आपके सवाल के जवाब में थोड़ी सी चीज़ें ऐड करना चाहूँगी कि फिल्म मेकिंग में मेल एक्टर, फीमेल एक्टर, हम सारे इन्हीं चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं, लेकिन फिल्म में कितने लोग होते हैं जिनके एफर्ट्स लगे हुए रहते हैं। ऑल HODs, ऑल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, ऑल सारे जो हमारे हेयर करने वाले, लाइट करने वाले, कैमरा डिपार्टमेंट, एडिटर, मुझे लगता है कि फिल्म के बारे में जब बात हो ना, तो सिर्फ मुझे लगता है कि एक्टर, जो बाहर के कंट्रीज़ में बहुत ज़्यादा होता है कि ऑल HODs वाई दे आर हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट, तो मुझे लगता है कि इससे आगे होके ज़्यादा इन सारे लोगों के बारे में बात होनी चाहिए।
बिल्कुल अग्री।
I think this is a good time to be an actor, क्योंकि as as characters written for females, it's getting better. I feel slightly better. Women who have a voice, who have something to say, who have opinions, are being represented, which is a ray of hope.
And beautifully as heroes.
Yeah.
Like as the lead heroes in the film is how women are now being represented, I would say.
And even if it's not led by that woman, even the characters around, the supporting characters, I think it's being appreciated as well now.
Yes.
So it's a ray of hope.
सबके बारे में, मतलब सब, मुझे तो लगता है एक सीन करने के लिए भी कोई आता है,
बहुत मेहनत लगती
तो
है
वो
उसके
उस
पीछे।
सीन का वो हीरो होता है उस सीन का। और मुझे लगता है कि वो इम्पोर्टेंट हिस्सा है,
Completely,
हर
totally agree.
किसी को करना चाहिए।
Agreed. But what about you, Girja? आप क्या सोचती हैं?
I agree with what both Smita and Isha have said. Filmmaking is a very, very highly collaborative medium. Nobody can do without each other.
Yes.
It's literally like that. All of us are heavily dependent on each other to make a film work. So the whole setup needs to be celebrated because everybody brings in a very specific skill set and pours a lot of love and energy into making a film work. Having said that, I feel every story requires different things out of their actors and performers. Like this setting is that of a very real, believable world. You cannot have a typical hero-driven screenplay
Correct.
in a world that you are wanting people to believe in. Hero stories are generally larger-than-life stories where one man can rescue everything. These are scenarios that we actually never land up in.
Yes.
But it's lovely to watch it in a film because it's aspirational and it's larger than life in many, many ways. It sort of picks you up from your everyday routine and takes you into like a fantasy ride where this one person is going to come and rescue the hell out of everybody. This is a lovely experience to have as a film, which is why these kind of films work, superhero films work. We like watching, the major superhero films because this idea that somebody is going to come and save you is very enticing to watch in a film. But it doesn't work in a setup like this. So it's also really dependent on the genre of film that you're doing. So like Smita said, every little part, there's one part of a woman who's a patient being comforted by Kangana. It's a small scene. That girl has come in and done that one scene, but my God, what a scene she's done.
वो फोटो भी आया है उसका, कितना कमाल का।
Yeah, and
वो
she's done such
सच्चाई
a
है।
good scene. Not that girl, not the one on the poster. वो तो है ही.
No, उसका
That
अभी,
other girl.
अपना गाना जो आया ना,
हाँ,
उसमें उसका फोटो आया है,
करेक्ट
बहुत
करेक्ट
प्यारा।
सो वो सीन देख के हमने पॉज कर दी, फिर मैं उसमें एक साथ देख रहे थे, हमने कहा क्या काम किया है यार इस लड़की ने. एंड फॉर दीज काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स नो, दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट योर कास्टिंग इज ऑन पॉइंट लाइक दैट एंड दैट every part looks and feels believable because you are telling a story of a collective of people that have been in a situation. It is not one person's story. But for some other films, it is one person's story and that needs to be carried by that one character. So there's nothing wrong or right about it. But I feel the default should be writing well-rounded characters no matter what you're doing.
Agreed. But then if I may ask, and then you're saying that the girl who played the character with Kangna, like a small character, how was it working with, like, women on one together floor and doing such a film? I'm not saying that if there were differences. No, that's not what I'm asking. I'm asking Bharat Bhagya Batata because when you think about 26/11, it's very heartbreaking. It still gives us goosebumps. It breaks our hearts. And doing a film that is based on that incident and you have to relive the whole scenario all over again and then working as women who are supporting each other. How was the camaraderie on the sets and, जो break के बीच का time होता है, how was it then? Like, how was that switch on and switch off for you ladies out there?
Break ke beech ka time was laced with epic stories by Smita. Smita is a very, very good storyteller and Gangna ji has herself spoken about it at the trailer launch also. Smita has the most bizarre incidents to talk about and she will and she's a storyteller.
Okay.
So she's not going
She
to tell you.
performs it.
She performs the story for you. So we had a lovely time between shots listening to
Different stories.
very different stories of Smita ji's.
Okay. but then if I may ask you, like, if I'm not wrong, please correct me. Was this the first time that you guys worked with Kangna? Or have you?
She has worked
You worked with
before.
Kangna before.
Yeah.
So I think I'll ask you to this thing. What was the impression that you had of Kangna, and now that you've worked with her, what has that impression changed of her, or is it still the same?
Go for it.
I'm going to talk like kind of on our behalf because we've done so many interviews now that we know each other's answers. I could answer on her behalf.
Oh my God,
Almost,
okay.
and she could answer on mine. We were both admirers of her work.
Okay.
Isha was very, very excited to know that we're going to work with Kangana, so was I. And when we finally got on set, there is that little apprehension. You don't know how that person's going to be in
Exactly,
person,
yes.
what the process is going to be like. And it doesn't really apply only to her per se or a star per se. Anybody. Like, I don't know what Smita's work process is because we've never worked in fiction before together.
Fiction में नहीं
We have met each other and we've known each other for a very, very long time, but I don't know how she's as an actor working wise.
Agree. Yeah.
So once you're all part of one team, it helps if your process is similar or aligned.
Yes.
Because then, you find yourself on the same page. And we were all very, very happy to know that Kangana is very, very aligned with the way we wanted to work scenes also, which is collaborative in its nature. So a lot of give and take, a lot of nuances discussed, our director telling us about what we can do, what we should do, and then we made the scenes like you do natak ke rehearsals.
Yeah.
We sat down and we really went ahead with discussions, and we made these scenes work. And that really shows in the film because, like I said just previously, it's not an isolated incident.
Correct.
It's the lives of these people before and after also, and it goes on for them. So for that incident to work in the film, just in terms of the film language, their relationship with each other needs to work from before that. And it's very important that those scenes between us work on a very human connection level, which you will see in the film because we were all very happy to do it together.
Agreed. But then you have known Kangana before and you've worked with her, as she's mentioned. Over the years, over the projects, I should say, has the perception of her evolved for you, or has it been like, oh, I know her, like the first meeting and now ka meeting has been the same, like the impression?
नहीं यार, मतलब
It's
कोई
been-
भी इंसान आपको 6 महीने के बाद भी अगर मिलता है तो बहुत
अलग
अलग
होता
है। हर बार हर दिन इंसान
Correct.
ग्रो हो रहा है।
People are like rivers.
या हाँ, वो भी हो सकता है।
Yeah.
लेकिन मैंने उनको पंगा के समय पे जब देखा था, वो सिर्फ एक्टर करके उस फिल्म में थी, लेकिन यहाँ पे वो प्रोड्यूसर भी थी।
Yes.
सो उनका एक अलग तरह का इन्वॉल्वमेंट मैंने इस प्रोजेक्ट में देखा और मुझे वो देख के भयंकर, मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। पंगा में मैं सिर्फ, मतलब मैं बोलूँ कि क्योंकि मैं उनकी फ़ैन हूँ, मैं बार बार बोलती हूँ ये, और एक्टर करके मुझे देखना था कि ये कैसे ये मैनेज करती हैं, क्योंकि आप किसी एक्टर का फिल्म में पूरा अगर ट्रैवल देखोगे तो ही आपको एक्टर थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आता है कि इसने स्क्रिप्ट में, मैंने ऐसे पढ़ा, इसने परसीव कैसे किया सीन, तो
Improvise
मुझे
कैसे किया
हाँ इम्प्रोवाइज या परसीव कैसे, किस नोट पे, किस
Correct,
डॉट पे छोड़ा है इस सीन को, और वो डिसीजन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। हर सीन का एक डॉट होता है, वो ज़रा भी उधर नहीं जाना चाहिए, इधर, वरना वो हिल जाता है। तो मुझे वो देखने थे उनके, ये क्या डॉट्स है बीच में, ये कैसे करती है, और वो मेरे लिए ट्रीट था। लेकिन इस फिल्म में वो ऐसी भी थी, तो मुझे ऑफ स्क्रीन भी उनके साथ बहुत अलग तरीके का इंटरेक्शन करने का मौका मिला, और मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि इतनी प्यारी औरत है, हमेशा औरतों की रिस्पेक्ट करती है, और जो उनके किरदारों में भी दिखता है।
बिल्कुल।
और मुझे लगता है कि वो करते रहना चाहिए। मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगती है, आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दैट, आई एम अ वूमेन, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि मुझे इतनी अच्छी अच्छी औरतों के साथ
काम करने को मिलता
काम करने का और टाइम स्पेंड करने का मौका मिले। जैसे गिरिजा को मैं अभी एक उपाधि देना चाहूँगी, शी इज़ ज्ञान गंगा। हाँ, मतलब किस विषय का उसके पास नॉलेज नहीं है, किस विषय का उसके पास नॉलेज नहीं है, और मैं रियली मैंने कई बार उसको कम्युनिकेट भी किया है, और मुझे बहुत ऐसे देख के मैं ऐसे देखती हूँ मैं उसको, मैं बोलती हूँ कि तुझे इस बारे में भी पता है। और अब तो मेरा ऐसा है कि मैं बहुत टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड ले लेती हूँ कि
इसको तो पता ही होगा।
तुझे इसका आंसर नहीं आ रहा है, कैसे पॉसिबल है, मतलब ये इस चीज़ का कोई वजूद नहीं है। अगर गिरिजा को, दूसरा है, मैं ईशा के साथ मैं बोलूँगी कि ईशा का मैंने अब तक काम ही देखा है, जिसमें कॉमेडी स्टाइल का वर्क मैंने देखा है, लेकिन फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने जब ईशा को ऐसे सेटअप में, रियलिस्टिक जोन में जब काम करने का मुझे उसके साथ मौका मिला, और मैंने देखा कि इसका टेक क्या है, वो कितनी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, कैसे वो अपने अनुभवों का, हिस्ट्री का, जो कॉमेडी का, लेकिन कैसे उसको रियलिस्टिक में ढाल के एक बहुत यूनिक कॉम्बिनेशन है, और जो मुझे बहुत करीब से देखने का मौका मिला। तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं तो रईस ही होते जा रही हूँ।
I love speaking to women who just uplift each other. That's like the best.
Love it.
That's
Yeah,
the
that's
best
very
setup.
important.
Well, I would say on that wrapping note, the excitement is intact. I would love to watch the film and surely see how the story unfolds. There is one thing that is like the box office numbers, which I personally as a viewer would say shouldn't define the film, because I feel that there is a lot of potential in the film. But in the industry that we are a part of, it does define success, because that's how the industry sees. So for you actors, does the box office numbers, good or bad, do you think that it should define actors, or do you think it should define the work that you guys have done, or how should the audience perceive it as?
I don't think it's got directly to do with an experience of being in a film as an actor, but we also have to understand that this is a business, and we are very much part of a huge machinery that works, where everybody has to take home a sum of money for their lives to go on. So we can't shy away from the fact that movie making and this is an industry and it's a business. So yes, box office does matter to a film because finally it has to sustain the people that are involved in
But
it.
does it matter to you as an actor? as well?
No, because see, box office comes after I've finished my job.
Correct.
So when I'm working on a film, box office is so far away from me at that point of time that it actually doesn't affect me at all. I'm going to still do my job the way I see fit at that point of time. And then that is slightly beyond my purview because that's like a reward that you can hope for, but you can never really predict.
Correct.
So is it connected? Yes, because I'm also part of the same industry. It pays my bills. Box
Yes.
office does. But does it affect my job? No.
Great. Isha?
And it does not define if it is a good or a bad film, I feel, because there are so many films who did not make it at the box office,
they were great films.
But
they are amazing films.
And I think OTT gives them more space for the audience to watch it all the more once
Yeah.
it goes there. So I agree to what you're saying. What do you do, Smita?
मुझे लगता है कि बॉक्स ऑफिस का जो भी कलेक्शन है वो फिल्म के रिलीज टाइमिंग बहुत सारी एक्सटर्नल चीज़ें हैं उसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है और जैसे गिरिजा ने कहा कि मैं खुद चाहूँगी कि मैं जिस फिल्म का हिस्सा हूँ वो 1000 करोड़ या और ज़्यादा करे कमाई क्योंकि कोई प्रोड्यूसर है जैसे हम हमारा टैलेंट उसमें डालते कोई प्रोड्यूसर अपना हार्ड एंड मनी उसमें डाल रहा है तो उसके रिटर्न्स कोई भी घाटे का सौदा तो नहीं होना चाहिए वो करना चाहिए लेकिन एक्टर के लिए एज एन एक्टर ये मेरे लिए इतना वो नहीं मुझे वो डिफाइन नहीं कर सकता कि मैं गंदी एक्टर हूँ अच्छी एक्टर हूँ एवरेज एक्टर हूँ या ब्रिलियंट एक्टर हूँ बिकॉज मैं एक्टर कैसी हूँ ये मेरा पूरा एंटायर करियर जब सामने आएगा तब लोगों को समझ में आएगा कि ये हुआ है एक बहुत अप्रिसिएशन कोर्स में एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हम लोग एक्सरसाइज करते थे वो है कि कोई भी अच्छी एक्टर में कोई भी ले लो आप मतलब सैंड्रा बुलॉक हो या कोई भी अच्छी एक्ट्रेस ले लो उन्होंने पहली की हुई फिल्म और आखिरी की हुई फिल्म ऐसे लाइन से आप फिल्म देखो तो आपको हर एक्टर का ग्राफ समझ में आता है तो मेरा एंटायर लाइफ का जो भी ग्राफ है हर किसी का वो डिसाइड करेगा कि वो अच्छा बुरा एवरेज कैसा एक्टर
Well, thank you ladies for your time. I wish you all the luck and I am very keen to see how the film ka, the review from the audience will be. Well, this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing from HT City.